For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a pickle business can be a fulfilling and profitable venture, especially with the resurgence of interest in homemade, artisan, and specialty food products. Thanks to free AI tools, you can now simplify many aspects of launching your pickle brand, from planning and branding to marketing and customer engagement, without needing to hire expensive professionals. Here's a complete step-by-step guide on how to start your own pickle business using free AI. Step 1. Research the pickle market. Before making pickles, you need to understand your target market. Use free AI-powered market research tools like Google Trends to see what pickle flavors or types are trending in your region. You can also use ChatGPT to help you analyze market demand. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Act as a market research expert. What are the most popular pickle products and trends in the U.S. in 2025? What types of consumers are most likely to buy artisan pickles? Use the results to identify gaps you can fill. Maybe it's spicy dill pickles, sugar-free options, or pickled exotic vegetables. Step 2. Develop a unique product line. Once you've identified a niche, create your product variations. You might focus on classic cucumber pickles, but also consider adding pickled carrots, okra, jalapenos, or even fruit-based options. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm recipes or variations that cater to your niche. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Act as a food product developer. Give me 5 unique, preservative-free pickle recipes that can stand out in a farmer's market setting. While you should eventually test and refine your recipes through trial and feedback, AI can help you speed up the ideation process. Step 3. Write a business plan with AI. A well-crafted business plan will help you clarify your business model, financial goals, and strategies for growth. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate a professional-looking plan. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write a detailed business plan for a small pickle business in Florida that sells homemade artisan pickles online and at local farmers markets. Include market analysis, competitive landscape, product strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. You can edit and refine the output to better match your local context and goals. Step 4. Choose a name and design your brand. Your pickle business needs a memorable name and brand identity. Use Namelix, a free AI business name generator, to brainstorm brand names based on your product focus or values. Once you've chosen a name, use Loca, free version, or Canva with AI-generated templates to create a logo and brand visuals. Suggested prompt for Namelix. Generate creative and catchy names for a handmade pickle company that emphasizes health and bold flavors. Then head to Canva and use its AI design tools to generate logo concepts. Canva's magic design will let you create product labels, business cards, and social media headers. Step 5. Get legal and regulatory tasks handled. Register your business and ensure compliance with food safety regulations. You can use ChatGPT to create a checklist of licensing and inspection requirements based on your state. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. List all the legal, health, and food safety requirements for starting a home-based pickle business in Florida. This will help you avoid costly mistakes, especially around food handling permits and kitchen inspections. Step 6. Develop packaging and labeling. Your product packaging is your customer's first impression. Use Canva to design professional labels, including required FDA food labeling information. ChatGPT can help you write compelling label copy. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write attractive and compliant product label descriptions for a small batch spicy garlic pickle. Include serving suggestions and a brand story. Make sure your packaging is functional for both retail and shipping purposes. Include expiration dates, storage instructions, and any dietary claims clearly on the label. Step 7. Build your online presence. Start by setting up a free website using AI-powered tools like Wix's ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, which builds a site for you after asking a few questions. You can also use Shopify Starter, which has a free trial, if you plan to take online orders. ChatGPT can assist you in writing your About page, FAQ section, and product descriptions. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write an engaging About Us page for a new pickle brand that focuses on handmade, all-natural, bold-flavored pickles. Don't forget to connect your website to social media accounts to drive traffic. Step 8. Create a marketing strategy. To get the word out, you'll need a marketing strategy. Use ChatGPT to create a detailed plan that includes social media, email campaigns, farmers markets, and collaborations. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a step-by-step marketing plan for launching a pickle business online and through farmers markets with a budget of $500. You can also use Buffer's free plan to schedule your posts and Canva's AI tools to create eye-catching visuals for Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. If you want to create short promo videos, try Pictory AI, free limited use, or CapCut with AI editing assistance. Step 9. Start selling and collect feedback. You can begin by selling your pickles at local farmers markets, community events, or even through social media marketplaces. Offer free samples and encourage customers to leave reviews. Use Google Forms with AI-powered smart suggestions to build quick feedback surveys. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write a short, friendly customer feedback form for people who have bought my artisan pickles at a market. Include questions about taste, packaging, and ideas for new flavors. Use the feedback to refine your products and improve your customer experience. Step 10. Scale up using automation and AI insights. Once sales start rolling in, look for ways to automate and optimize. Use ChatGPT to help write follow-up emails, thank you messages, or even customer loyalty offers. Use Google Sheets and Google's free AI features to analyze your sales and spot trends. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write a customer loyalty email campaign for a small business selling pickles online. Include a discount code and a request for social media shares. You can also experiment with AI tools like Notion AI or Airtable to track inventory, customer orders, and supplier details in an organized way. Conclusion. Starting a pickle business today no longer requires a large startup budget, thanks to the accessibility of free AI tools. From product development and branding to marketing and sales automation, AI can guide and accelerate nearly every step. By combining creativity, consistency, and these digital tools, you can launch a professional pickle brand that stands out in a growing artisan food market. The key is to test quickly, learn continuously, and use AI as your always available assistant on the road to business success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.